In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell digital products on Gumroad. We'll walk through creating a product from scratch so you can follow along on your own screen. First, head over to your Gumroad dashboard and sign in. This is your home base where you'll see your products, sales, and analytics. Once you're in, look for the products option in the main navigation and click on it. This takes you to the area where all your existing products live and where you'll create new ones. Next, click on the New Product button. This opens the product setup page. Start by clicking in the name field and typing a clear, descriptive title for your digital product. Think about what your ideal customer would search for, and try to make the name both specific and easy to understand. Right below, choose the type of product you're selling, such as a digital download, course or tutorial, or ebook. This helps Gumroad present your product in a way that makes sense for buyers. Then type in your price. You can always change this later, so don't worry about getting it perfect. Use the currency drop-down to choose the currency you want to charge in based on where most of your customers are. When you're done with these basics, click on Next, Customize. Here, you'll shape how your product page looks and feels. Start by adding a detailed description. Explain what's included, who it's for, and the main benefits. Below that, set a custom URL so your product link is short, clean, and easy to share. In the cover section, upload images or videos that visually represent your product. Then upload a thumbnail, which is the small image people will see in previews and links. In the product info area, choose your call to action text, like "buy this" or "I want this," and write a short summary that quickly sells the value. If you want, add extra details such as what's inside, file formats, or requirements. In the integration section, decide whether to connect with communities like Discord or other platforms to onboard your customers. Under pricing, you can enable options like pay what you want or installments. In the version section, add different tiers, such as a standard and VIP version. In settings, fine-tune things like limiting sales, letting customers choose quantity, or showing the number of sales publicly. At the top, click the Content tab to upload the actual digital files your customers will get. Then switch to the Receipt tab to customize the button text and add a thank you message or next steps. Go to the Share tab when you're ready, then click Publish and Continue. Gumroad will walk you through the final, very straightforward steps. And once you're done, your digital product is live and